Hey guys, welcome to another video of Tough Humans. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix one of the common newest issues with Amazon shipments, FBA. So stay with me until the end. It's gonna be nice and quick, a very short step by step how to solve the issue. So then you are going to be able to ship the same ASIN again to Amazon because maybe they communicated to you that you are not allowed until you're gonna fix this issue. So bear with me, I'm gonna show you how to. So I've just received this email telling me that basically I'm gonna be temporarily blocked to ship as FBA this particular ASIN. So let me show you very quickly how to solve this issue. It's nothing major, I promise. I'm here in my Amazon Seller Central and let me show you how to do this. So you go to your inventory and then you do manage FBA shipments, and then you can see I can scroll down, everything looks fine. So it's just here, view problems, and here we go. So in this case they're telling me polybagging was required in more than one item. Okay, so I know for sure that I've added a polybag to all these items because remember we are just a two people operation here, and these are all multi-packs. So I am 100% sure this is something that Amazon is doing instead. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. So we have just clicked to resolve. You're gonna have to do it for every single item that you have to resolve. And if it's something that you just are gonna choose to acknowledge, like, okay, sorry guys, it was my fault, you just click acknowledge, that's it. Otherwise, you just go here, investigate. We are 100% sure that all the items in this shipment were polybagged, as we are a two people operation only, and these are all multi-packs. Please let us know as up. Thank you for your support, Silvia. If I made a weird mistake in English, in your spelling, okay. And then I have to copy paste, submit, lovely. And then we go here and we do it for same thing, same message, submit, close, resolve, investigate, copy paste, submit. And that's about it. Super easy. Usually what is gonna happen, guys, is that they're gonna reply back and say we have investigated and yeah, we apologize, we're gonna give you any money back in case you were charged. I hope this helps. Guys, that's it for today, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be uploading more videos about tips and tricks, step by step things to make your Amazon shop amazing, your Amazon business incredible, and then eBay, Etsy, financial freedom, and a little bit of motivation. Thank you for staying with me until the end.